Namaskar, Pranam, good morning, Assalamu alaikum. I observed all the salutations of different mother tongues, medium of instructions, and second language in the colleges of the state of Telangana, that is Telugu, Urdu, English, and Hindi. And today I want to speak on the show my opinion or the view on the World's Day of International Justice, and which is also known as the International Criminal Justice Day or International Justice Day. It is observed globally on 17th July every year to recognize the strengthening the system of international justice, especially in international criminal justice is concerned. Now, let me say that on 17th July every year, that is the International Justice Day, commemorates the historic adoptions of the Rome Statute and marks the importance of the continuing the fight against the impunity and bringing justice for the victim of war crimes, humanity, genocide, etc. The Rome Statute created or formed the existence of international criminal justice, rather we can say the criminal courts are concerned where this justice will be administered. Let me bring to your notice that ICC does not replace the national courts, but it is available when a country cannot or would not carry out investigations and prosecute perpetrators. Let me go further. This day is celebrated because it is necessary to make the people around the globe to make aware of the international criminal justice, united to support to the justice and also to promote the rights of the victims. This day is also attracts the people around the world to pay attention on the serious issues of crimes in respective countries. For example, in India, Nirbhaya case in New Delhi, it is worldwide known to each and everybody, and it is also to protect the people from several crimes and also warn those people who affects the peace, security, as well as being of the nation at risk. It is not, now we will come to the India. India is not a party to the Rome Statute along with the US and China. But recently Malaysia has ratified the Rome Statute and becomes the 124th state of party to this ICC. After the 2010 amendments, the Rome Statute also sets a new standards of for victims. Um, the representation in the courtrooms and ensures fair trials and the right of the defense. Among the 123 countries of the state parties to the Rome Statutes of the International Criminal Court, out of them 33 are African states and 19 are the Asian Pacific states, 18 are from the Eastern Europe, 28 states or countries are from Latin American and Caribbean states, and 25 are from the Western Europe and other states. ICC has the six field offices, that is Kinshasa and Bunia in the Democratic Republic of Congo, that is called DRC, Kampala, Uganda, then Bangui, Central Africa, that is called CAR, Nairobi, Kenya, then the last one is Abidjan, that is the Cote d'Ivoire. The ICC has two working languages, that is English and French. ICC headquarters at The Hague, the Netherlands, where the ICJ also situated. There have been thus far been 27 cases before the court, with some cases having more than one suspect. 16 people have been detained in the ICC detention center. The judges have issued the 18 convictions and 3 acquittals. Jurisdictions and working of the court is concerned. The Rome Statute grants the ICC jurisdiction over the 4 main crimes, that is, the crime of genocide, crime against humanity, war crimes, and the crime of aggression. Being an Indian, I'm trying. I'm having a personal opinion that we have to give a more importance to equity and not the equality, and depicted in the slide which is shown below, than in the administration of criminal justice. I quote Judge Charles Ebo Usuji, who addressed before the Union in New York: "There is no lasting peace without justice, and no justice along it there is impunity. Thanks to the organizers giving this opportunity. Jai Hind, and this is my equality and equity cartoon. Thank you very much once again. Jai Hind, and I will stop my sharing as well as my